In this video we're going to show you how we were able to score 6 dining room chairs, just over there, fix them up and flip them. Here we have one of the chairs. It's loose up here on this back bracket, it's loose here, and it's actually very unstable. So I had a quick look and it looks like all it needs is a tighten up. It's got a little stain here. We'll see if we can get that out. It needs a good clean and a wash down, get some wood cleaner on it and we'll see. But yeah, let's see what's going on here and see if we can tighten this up. And this is the main issue on all the chairs. So we'll tighten this one up and then we will go through the rest of the chairs and clean them up and then get a nice picture taken and get them online. So for this it's fairly straightforward. I figured out there's just a little plug there that wasn't all the way in. I'm going to take this screw off because I believe this is going to have to come off on this side, and it's basically all the way out here. At first I couldn't see if this was actually a thread or not, but it is. And then a couple of screws down here on the bottom. See, things like this are fun. You have to figure out how they go together. This one is very straightforward though, so we'll do this. And there's our culprit on the front. This bracket here isn't actually secure, it's loose, and also yeah, screws underneath, they're loose as well. So I'll tighten this up and do the complete reverse. So we've got that lined up there. You can see why that's basically just spinning, so we'll do that as tight as we can and we'll put this on and we'll move on to the next chair and just do the same thing with every chair after we've tightened up the legs on the bottom. There we have it, secure. Oh, don't want to forget our little plug. Put that in there. This one needs tightened up as well, so I'll do the same on this side. It's hard to believe that someone was willing to give these chairs away and all they actually needed was just to be tightened up. It said that they were broken, the arms weren't attached. The arms were attached, it was just you tightened up something you need a little bit of know-how to. People weren't willing to work with them, but hey, people were giving away free chairs. There's an opportunity there for everyone. So let's finish up there. There we go. Solid. So one down, 5 to go. Yeah, so there we have it. Every chair is now secured. Everyone just had their bolts on the bottom being tightened up, and then the screws for the arms. That's all that was wrong with these chairs here. One of them looked like it was actually hanging off and broken, but the thread was hanging on by just one thread that was holding the arm on. So yeah, what score? We're just going to go and vacuum these up. We're going to try and get a couple of stains out. Throw some wood cleaner on them and we'll put them up for sale and see what we can get. We took pictures of any defects on the chairs and a close-up just so that the buyer can see what the chairs look like up close and can see any defects so they know what they're looking at or coming to buy. We then staged chairs around the table so that the buyer can imagine these chairs in their own home. We listed the chairs at $320 and they were sold within 24 hours. This was all profit and only took us a couple of hours to turn these chairs around.